Today looks like any other day. That might be my shadow. Or might not. I'm not entirely sure anymore. This might be me. That might be my year. Maybe not. On some days you feel like you're just bits and pieces, fragments of everyone else. Like we're all reflections of the same consciousness. You can tell a lot by the way a person sits, drinks, eats, appears in front of each other, about where they drive, why they drive. When you sit on the road and you're in that bubble, it's almost as though life continues into the void. It's a self-imposed hypnosis, going from point A to point B. The journey, just like the personality or identity, is just as confusing, difficult, and intense. That might be in my hand. Still not entirely sure. Where's the line between where I end and you begin starts? These might be my expressions. These might as well. I'm weary and tired. And every moment that I live comes off in a way that intensifies that tiredness. This is me. 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 I'm still not entirely sure where I end and you begin. All the thoughts ruminate. We're just a collection of images, memories. What are memories? Today looks like any other day. That might be my shadow.